How to change the speed of a video on Instagram Reels. So let's now open the Instagram app. We are now in the Home tab. Swipe right or hit the Your Story on the upper left corner. Now you can see on the bottom of the screen that we have 4 options: Post, Story, Reels, and Live. Click on the Reels option. And now on the left part of your screen, you can see the speed. Press on it, and from here, you can choose the speed of your video. If you want slow motion, you can use the zero point 0.3 and 0.5 times speed. If you want your videos to be faster, click on the 2 times or 3 times speed. Now, if you're ready to record, just long press the circle. You can also change the speed in the middle of the video. Just tap again on the speed option on the left part of your screen. After recording, just tap on next. And here you can edit by adding stickers, music, and text. After editing, click on next again, and then click on share. After some time, your reel will be uploaded. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.